Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the new update on Algorand. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Algorand broke out a falling wedge pattern and after that, it was stuck inside in another up channel. And this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that recently, unfortunately, we have broken down the support of the sub channel. And imminently, we also broke down the support of 25 cents as well. And now the price line is retesting the previous support of 25 cents as a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But there is also a hidden bullish divergence flash on this daily time frame chart. You can see that the price line forming a higher low than previous low. It formed this low here, and the next low it is forming higher than the previous one. At the same time, you can see that RSI is moving down and forming lower than previous low. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line may try to re-enter this up channel, and we may have or we may see a nice price reversal from here. And in today's video, we will analyze this move as well. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout that is happened on this 7 days time frame chart from a very big falling wedge pattern as well. And at the same time, you can see that the price line is struggling to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, their trade setup for Cavalland, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 14th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Algorand. And first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And previously, I've been showing you this falling wedge pattern. And I've been telling you that once the price line will be able to break out this wedge, then the technical target will be here at the top of the wedge approximately at 25 cents. And by the way, from 25 cents to 30 cents, we had a lot of resistance, a quite long-term resistance line. And you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target. And after getting rejected by another resistance of this up channel, the price line has finally broken down the support of the channel. And imminently, it has also broken down this next support of 25 cents as well. And now retesting the previous support as a resistance. And in case of a rejection by this resistance of 25 cents, it can drop down at this next support of 20.72 cents. That is short-term support that we have recently found. It was breaking as a resistance here, and support here. You can see that for the past several days, it is breaking as a nice support. But there is also a hidden bullish divergence on this daily time frame chart as the price line is forming higher low than previous low. But if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then you can see that it is forming lower than previous low. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line may try to re-enter inside this up channel. And in case of re-entering the channel, and if the price line after entering the channel moves to the resistance of the channel, then it can also break out this long-term resistance of 20 cents and move somewhere here, approximately at 35 cents. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out a very huge falling wedge pattern. Previously, since after the month of Feb 2021, it was moving inside this wedge. And finally here, after getting squeezed inside this wedge, we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And now recently, you can see that it is struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And this resistance zone has been previously working as a very strong resistance zone here, and resistance zone here, support zone here, support zone here for several weeks or months. And after the breakdown in the month of November 2022, since then it is again flipped into a very strong resistance zone. And this resistance zone is also working as a very a strong resistance or neckline of a very big inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. You can see that this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the formation of the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this resistance zone is working as a neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And at the same time, the price line is also trying to break out this huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And once Algorand will be able to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, then this cloud will be flipped into a very long-term support, and this rally to the upside can be continued for the long term. Now, if we take a look at the technical targets, then target for the breakout from this is inverse head and shoulder pattern can be here. That will be approximately at $1.05. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.